I'm going to start on how to create a button based on Illustrator file or by using Illustrator file. File, import to stage. I have already an Illustrator file. Okay, I have this file. Double click on it. I'm going to delete the background. And then this one and this one. This one I'm going to keep. The others I don't want, I don't need. I'm going to create a new layer, Control Shift with V to paste in place. Okay, for this layer I don't need. Now I have these three shapes. I'm going to click on F9 or right click and convert to symbol. Button, okay. And then now I convert it to button, okay. Now double click on it and then right click, distribute to key frames, not to layers. Distribute to keyframe. And here I have up, over, and down. Now you can see. What I need to do now is to place them over each other. I can start the onion skin to see all the places. Here I have the down. I can move to the over and drag it here. And then I can move to the down and drag it up here. Okay. Now take a look. I can stop the onion skin. Let me go back here, Control Enter to make a test. See? If you have some images and you want to change to create a button by using these images, insert one of these images, convert it to symbol and select a button, double click on that image and place the other styles on the over and down, place them over each other and inside the scene. Okay, and that's how to create a buttons or a clickable object by using some AI files. Okay, I told you about I want to create a button to close the exe file. How can we do that? Right click as always, actions. Okay, I'm going to open the code snippet. I just need the code for the click to make the software listen once the user click on the button. So here I can select anything, contain click to go, click to play, click to stop, any of them, double click, And now I have the code. Here inside the function, I don't need this code. So I'm going to delete it. Inside the function, okay, I'm going to delete this code. And all we need to do is to write this code. F as small command, F as command, two brackets, two parentheses, sorry, and between them, two double quotation, like this, and then quit, small letters. Okay? F as command, two parentheses, between them, two double quotation. Between the two double quotations, you just need to write quit, and at the end, semicolon. Let us try. It is not working because here I'm still inside the software. I'm not using or opening an exe file. It will work once I export the file from Animate, and that's the last thing I'm going to explain to you in this course. Okay, how to export your work from Animate as an exe file, and that exe file you can open it from any computer device without the need to install the Adobe Animate. In order to export your work, you need to go to File, Export. Here you have export video slash media. Usually we use this to export as a video if we have an animation. In our situation, we are not going to use the export. We are going to use the publish setting. You need to click File, then Publish Settings. And here you need to specify the settings we want. The first, inside the publish, you need to select, make sure that you are selecting the flash SWF. Here we have other formats. HTML it should be selected also. And last thing, you need to select Win projector, short for Windows projector. If you are working with Mac, what you need to select? Mac projector. But for your final submission, you need to export, even if you are working on Mac, export on Windows projector, Win projector. But for testing, you can export with using Mac projector. Okay, for testing. Final submission, you need to select the Win projector, even if you are working with the Mac, on Mac. Clear? Here you can specify the name and location. Test, for example, and save. And then you need to click on publish. Okay, now can minimize desktop, test.exe, exe short for executable, double click. I have the exe file open. Now, let us see what is going to happen when I click on that button, this button.